What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. We're playing with Melanie's car today, so we're not working on the STI, we're not working on the BRZ, we're working on the Impreza. If you guys have not seen the Impreza, it's that like weird baby blue car back there. So her stock lighting setup on that thing is just trash. It's straight up garbage. From the factory, it came with some like really bad halogen headlights that you just cannot see anything at night with. No fog lights, nothing like that. So today we're gonna be fixing that. So courtesy of Amazon and the Mod Garage, we snagged these Lumawerx H11, I believe they're H11, LED low beam headlights for her car. So these things should do work compared to those stock halogens that are in there. And then we just got some like stock looking fog light setup kit-ishness. I don't really know what you guys refer to this as, but it's a fog light kit. It's Winjet. It's like 60 bucks. It'll get the job done. If we want to later on, we can swap out these fog lights for some LED ones or something that's a little bit brighter, but this should get the job done for now. But while I do have you guys here, I do have an update on the STI. Got some more parts ordered for it. I got all the stuff to rebuild the stock oil pump since they don't make new oil pumps anymore for the motor, as well as the other timing cover components because those are just annoying to get and I needed new ones because mine are like cracking and just kind of trash at this point. So the last thing that I have to order for the motor that are like OEM parts specific that I can think of right now is going to be the timing belt setup. So I need like the timing belt, the idler pulleys, all that stuff that goes with it. That's all like very expensive. So I'm gonna try to find like a Gates version of it because just the timing belt alone from Subaru is like $200. Each idler pulley is like $90. So I'm gonna try to find one that's a little bit more cost effective that's still quality. So we'll see what I can come up with. But let's get the Impreza pulled up, start ripping the bumper off, and I guess pulling out the old fog light bezels that aren't actually fog light bezels, that are DRL bezels. Let's pull them out. You look so glorious in this light with your mustache.
Thanks. It took me 5 years to grow this bad boy.
Woo! I need the Impreza! Call it. Step 1, Impreza on ramp. Step 2, Impreza bumper come off. So before we even go and start pulling off all of the stock headlight stuff, I want to show you guys like how bad these halogens actually are. They do not light up like crap. Like they'll obviously light up the neon and the STI a little bit, but for the most part, they're kind of trash. Come in here. Can I just, the headlights are on. Dude, they're crap. They barely light up the neon. So I turned down the settings on the camera so you guys could see these a little bit, but they're straight up trash. Like they don't light up anything to like save a life. So let's get the bumper off, get these things out, test out the new ones. Wait, Matt, while I have you here, people—
Hey, Tanner.
Don't you do—
Look in there.
Why?
There's a coin in there.
No, I'm not falling for that. I actually thought there was something in there. Oh my God.
Now I want all my plants!
You're gonna scare the neighbors. Jesus. Okay. Yo, people have been asking about the neon. What's up with the neon?
I don't know. You tell me what's up with the neon.
It's your car.
It's sitting right there.
Well, they want to know when's the next stuff going to be done to the neon.
Well, bumper's installed, so it's about ready to start up. You see.
Sick. So the neon won't ever be done. So already I can see a huge difference. Let me turn off the ISO real quick on here. Let me turn it back down to 100 so that way you guys can actually see. LED on that side, halogen on this side. Already you can see a color temperature difference. Those are a lot more yellow. They're probably in like the 3000 Kelvin range. Those are probably in like the more 5500-ish. But just looking at like how they shine with like the lighting kind of screwed up on the camera, not very bright, super bright. Not very bright, super bright. Super bright.
I'm gonna put this on my roof.
Melanie! Can you come in the garage real quick?
Yeah! Out of my car.
Matt, the neon looks beautiful.
Thanks, dude.
Looks beautiful.
It's pretty tasty.
It needs to
if anyone on the tubes can find me a bracket that holds these.
Have you actually looked for the bracket?
Yep.
And?
Can't find one. Ask my friends that have like 8 neons in their yard.
Lindsay didn't have any?
Nope.
Oh.
Because most of the time when somebody gets a transmission, it doesn't have that on there. So
they don't need those brackets.
I need those brackets.
You don't need that bracket.
I need those brackets.
We need those brackets.
Because when you shift, these just do a whole
Dude,
bunch
you need
of-
like an intake manifold and everything still.
I know. Yeah, we'll figure that out.
You already have a downpipe though, so I mean, progress.
Yeah, it's all done.
Progress. What do you think? Which one do you like more?
So old, new.
Liar.
Now what do you think?
Which one do you like more?
Those.
The LED? You don't like the halogen? Now come stand over here. Look at how much brighter the LED is
Look
on the
look
hood versus
myself.
matte.
Look on myself!
What do you think?
I like them.
You like it? It's okay, it's just your bumper. It's okay, it's just your bumper.
Hey, well since my
I know, hella horns. I already said something about it.
We can make it-
train horns.
That'd be
That's the
dangerous.
goal.
You want train horns?
One day,
For what?
I want to
This?
seem aggressive.
You want to seem aggressive.
You're gonna hurt people's eardrums. Not feelings. Don't hurt feelings.
Just
hurt
their eardrums. All right, well, I'm gonna knock out the other side.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So if you guys don't know how to pull headlights out, it's pretty easy. You got to get the bumper off, obviously. First of all, there's a screw and a clip up here, screw right down there, a clip on the bottom, and then there's 2 screws and a clip on the side. I'm just gonna do the same thing I did on the other side. Pull it out, swap the bulb, good to go. Then we can do fog lights. Super simple on that side. The wiring won't be fun, but we'll get it knocked out. Both of her new headlights are in. I also cleaned up the lenses a little bit just because they were a little bit dirty. And then she also bought some new hella horns for her car that she wanted me to throw on there also. So they're like a rose gold, 6-speed setup. They're fucking loud. What do they sound like? Jesus. Dude, that's so loud. Matt, is it loud enough?
What?
Is that loud enough?
I didn't even hear it. No, I can't hear it.
No, me neither.
Are you talking?
What?
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 Huh?
I do. Oh man, I can't hear that. So she used to have these old, like red Hellas on her car. I'll probably throw these on the BRZ, just because she is not going to be using them anymore. Or maybe I should just run 4 of them on her car and just make it be like aggressively loud. But we just use the stock placement for them. One right down there, the other one up there. She likes to have aggressive horns, so she's got the aggressive horns. Next up on the agenda for the Impreza is this fog light setup. So the first thing I'm gonna do wiring last, so I'm gonna put all of that over there. All that can go right there. The first thing I'm gonna focus on is getting these in the car. I think I need these. I think these are the nutserts. They are the nutserts. So I'm just gonna pull the old bezels out, get the new ones in, get the fog lights put in the bumper. Then we'll start running all the wiring because I'm not looking forward to the wiring aspect just because I'm gonna have to start running things inside of the car for switches and buttons and whatnot. So swap these out. I've got one of the fog lights in. I have the passenger side in over here right now. Fitment on the bezel, I'd probably give like a 8 or a 7 out of 10. It's not perfect. That little corner right up there doesn't just want to sit flush. Versus this side, which this is the stock side. This is just a daytime running light. She said she'd rather prefer to have fog lights than daytime running lights. So let me get that one pulled off. We'll get the wiring set up and then we can get the bumper thrown back on. And then when it gets dark out, we'll go out and test it and see how bright everything is. So our fog lights and bezels are now in, so hopefully this helps her see a lot better at night or whenever we're driving and it's dark out. Next up, I need to get the wiring done. So I'm just gonna time lapse running through all of this wiring. We essentially have 2 harnesses. This one's going to go to the battery and the fog lights. This harness is going to go from this harness up to the fuse and the switch that'll go inside of the car. If you buy the Winjet series, you are going to get a diagram like this. It's pretty simple. One goes to one fog light, the other goes to the other. You have one that goes to the positive battery fuse, and then you have one that goes to the yellow connector that goes up to the button. One that goes to a ground. It's pretty self-explanatory. So I'm just gonna run through getting this done. I wanna just get to like nighttime to be able to go test all of this stuff now because those headlights are gonna be a lot brighter. Those fog lights should help clear things up also, especially when it's like foggy or anything like that. We'll probably end up swapping those out to LED in the future, but for now halogen will be fine with the new LED headlights in there. So I mean, it'll be a win-win. So let me get this installed real quick. We'll test them out. We'll make sure everything works. We'll fast forward to nighttime and we'll see how well they actually do. Oh Oh dear God, let me tell you, wiring those things was absolutely awful. There was no good way to run the signal wire from the fog lights on the harness up into the chassis of the, well, actually inside of the car to get it in here. It was awful, but it's in. Button lights up. Look at that, nice and green. Boop, boop. The way that I did this is there's no, on a normal Subaru like the STI, the BRZ, Matt's Outback, probably the Neon, there's a small grommet that you can normally get to right up here. There is no small grommet on this car. So the way that I had to do this to get the signal wire from the fog light up into the cabin was to route it up into the wheel well, go in, and there was one grommet for the rear windshield wiper sprayer. That. It's in, it's on, it was annoying, but the fog lights are wired up, good to go now. Same with the headlights. So let me grab Melanie and see, hopefully she's happy with this because this took way longer than it should have. You have the fog light.
I have fog lights.
You now have the fog lights.
And bright headlights.
Is this what you wanted? Is this everything you ever wanted?
Oh, the button glows.
It turns green. Are you happy now?
Yeah,
You have fog lights.
I have fog lights.
You have bright lights. Is this everything you've wanted? Are you happy now?
Almost, but yeah,
Almost. What else do you want?
make it faster.
That's not gonna happen. Now that this has been taken care of and everything is wired up, good to go, as soon as it gets dark, in like an hour, we'll go out, we'll drive, we'll see how they actually do. I'm assuming the headlights are gonna make the biggest difference, but the fog lights will probably help also. They were just a huge pain to wire in. I'm never a fan of these like wire in, like cheap fog light kits, but they do work. I'll give them that. So I'll see you guys in like an hour my time, like 2 seconds. 2 seconds video time. So as you can tell, it's dark. It's very dark, isn't it?
Yeah.
Are you excited to look at your new headlights?
Yeah.
All right, we have not seen how they're going to look yet. Melanie, you may proceed. All right, so it's fully dark, no lights are on, just do your fog lights first. That's not bad for fog lights.
That's as bright as my headlights were.
That's not bad for fog lights. That's how bright your headlights were?
Yeah.
Okay, now do your headlights. Is that better?
That's way better.
All right, hold on, let me hop outside the car and take a look. It's so much brighter. Jesus. Her old, all right, turn your headlights off. Yeah, leave your fog lights on. That is how bright her headlights used to be, just her headlights. Now turn on your headlights. Boom. You have all the light. Are you happy with your new lights?
Yeah.
Promise?
Yeah, sorry, I'm so cold.
Do you want more lights?
No.
No more lights? She's happy with her new lights, which is all that matters to me because we want her to be safe when driving and be able to see everything, like the baby deer that sometimes try to jump in front of cars up here. So glad that this is taken care of. She's happy, it's all that matters. So this is really all I got for you guys on this one. If you guys are interested in these like Lumawerx lights or these like fog light kits, I'll link them down below in the description. So if you guys want to stag one, you definitely can. But that's all I got for you guys on this one. So if you like the video, you know what to do. Go ahead, hit that like button and turn it blue. Like something that's blue, because there's nothing in here. And
Like my Subaru.
like her Subaru. And if you're not already subscribed to the channel, hit your boy up one of these corners. No idea which one I'm gonna put it in. I lied. I'm actually gonna put it in that bottom, my left, your right corner tonight, this evening, this morning, wherever you are in the world. And with that, I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out, homies.
I don't want to do it.